Hey there! Today we have drawn 6 yummy fruits.
Wow.
They look so fun and colorful. Now we're going to color them together. Let's start drawing now. Okay, it's drawing time. Look at our crayons. They look so nice. Big jumbo crayons. So colorful. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, and pink. All the rainbow colors. Now, let's see how our crayons are. Now let's roll them around and play a little. Let's start. They rolled across the table. These crayons look amazing. Let's see how they look when we color. Are you ready to draw the fruits? What are you waiting for? Let's do it. While I draw, you say the name of what I'm drawing, okay? Yes, you got it. This is a strawberry. Can you guess what I'm drawing? Tell me. Yes, you got it. This is a banana. You're doing great. Now tell me the next one I'm drawing. Great job! You can guess all the fruits. This is a watermelon. Yes, now guess the next fruit. Looks like there's no fruit you don't know. Great job! Yes, you got this one too. This is my favorite fruit, an apple. Yes, our last fruit was a pear. You got them all right. Now, let's trace the edges with our jumbo crayons so the colors stay inside. Yes, our fruits are ready for coloring. Now the colors won't go outside the lines. If you're ready, let's start coloring. Let's color the strawberry with red. Let's color the banana yellow. Let's color the banana yellow. We colored the inside red. Since we used the red crayon, let's use a different color for the watermelon. Okay. We can try purple for the grapes. Let's see how it looks. I'm going to do a very special coloring for the apple. You have to watch it. Let's color the pear a nice color too. Now we can line up our crayons to the side for coloring. Let's remember the fruit names again. Say them with me. Strawberry, banana, watermelon, cherry, apple, pear. Yes, you got them all right. Now it's coloring time. Let's tighten the crayon. Can you tell me this color? Come on, tell me. Yes, you know. This color is red. Yes, you know. What color should we paint the strawberry leaf? Yes, the leaf is green. We also painted the stem yellow. Now let's paint the banana yellow. Yes, the color is yellow. Now let's paint the watermelon a different color. What should we do? Let's use pink. Yes, we can paint it pink. You can use any color you like. You are free to choose. Yes, that's right. We painted the rind green. That orange looks nice. What color should we use for the cherry? Let's try a different color. But first, let's color the watermelon seeds. Yes, that looks good. Now we can move on to the cherry. Yes, let's continue. What color should we use? Let's make it orange. Cherries are usually red, but we can use any color we want. I chose orange. You can choose your favorite color too. That green leaf looks nice. I told you I have a surprise for the apple. Now I will show it. I think you will really like it. First, let's color the top blue. Leaf green. A nice yellow in the middle. Orange below. More orange. And pink at the bottom. Let's color the stem yellow. Now for the pear. Where should we color it? Let's see. Yes, let's make it purple. I hope it looks nice. Okay. Now let's color the leaf green. Now say the fruit names with me. Let's start. Strawberry, banana, watermelon, cherry, apple, pear. Yes, you know. See you in the next video. Goodbye.